Hello everybody, you probably know this car. It's a quite popular one, so that's why we didn't do an unboxing on it because there's lots of unboxings on them. And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna put some new shocks in it. I bought these for 116 but they came in it's 118, so we have to fill this with oil and I'm gonna put them in here. These ones, this car only's got these turn knuckles in there, so I have to turn them out and put some screws in there like the other cars. And we got it this body and the shocks, so you guys can just leave a comment and tell me if I must forward all these things and just show clips of it, or you want me to do it slowly in real time so you can see what I'm doing. But this would be a interesting outcome to see what these shocks do in the driving ability of this car. Like and subscribe, and you can see more of these builds. What also came is these Ovonics 2200 milliamps 35C short drone batteries, and they just fit perfectly in these. So if you take the Hyper Go and you put these Ovonics in here, just fit nicely. You just have to modify strap there, but these batteries are quite a good size for the 116 scale cars. I'll put a link in the description where you can find one of these. So this is our build for the day. I'll put the shocks in and see what this thing does. And in the next video I received this servo. It's a 40 kg servo for the Savage, so we're gonna fix that problem. Still waiting for wheels on the Savage, but we're gonna fit this and we're gonna give the Savage a nice service because we put it through some extreme bashes. It needs a service and check the diffs and trying to grease the dog bones and fit the servo. It's a bit of length difference. They got the same tension on them.
Hey, it's me.
At the back, it's got some travel, but there's no travel in front. So I was just thinking, if I do a brushless conversion on this, it's got a 5-wire servo. I have to replace the servo, the gyro is in the ESC, and the receiver is in the ESC. That's no problem. I can replace the ESC with a brushless one. The brushless one is a bit too thick. You can put it on here, but yeah, then you have to replace the servo as well. I've got another 3-wire servo, small one, but I don't think it's worth it converting this into a brushless. So it's just the shocks for now. Shocks is working good, and then the new body. Let's see how it drives, just like a new car. It's definitely not that loose, but yeah, it's a small car, small shock, small difference. I think it's quite more controllable. It seems like it worked. The oil shocks is a bit better. not uncontrollable, but yeah, it's not made for the gravel. Let's take it on the tarmac.